In this video, I'll be showing how you can change your gender from female to male or male to female.
Cool. Thanks a lot, you guys. Good luck out there.
Useful if you need a character of a different gender in a film or video, but wish to play the part yourself, or just to see how yourself or someone else could look. You'll probably encounter some issues with visual artifacts, which I'll cover in this video. Some can be fixed, while others will need to be cropped out entirely. You'll be using ebSynth and FaceApp, which are both free, although you'll probably want to use After Effects and Premiere Pro as well. To get started, create a folder with a name that references the project and add two new folders, one called Sequence and one called Keys. Next, you'll need to add a timestamp to the video to keep track of which frame is which. Just make sure it's positioned away from the person you're applying the filter to. Then render the video as a JPEG sequence. This is a 10-second video at 25 frames per second, so you'll end up with about 250 JPEGs. Next, select some keyframes. You can sometimes get away with just picking one, but I try to choose at least one per 2 seconds of footage in easy to remember increments. In this case, 0, then 50, then 100, etc. But generally, the more keyframes, the better the end result will be. Take those keyframes and copy and paste them into the Keys folder. Then place them into a folder on your phone. In my case, I made one called FaceApp Images. Open up FaceApp and select the first one. The time codes will help you keep track of which is which. We'll be using the gender one, and in this case, the female one selection seems to work best. The female 2 tends to add more hair and some other slight differences. FaceApp always adds long hair when you go from male to female, which can cause issues which I'll talk about later. Process the remaining keyframes using the same filter. Now go to Phone, Pictures, FaceApp folder, and the new keyframes should be in there. Copy and paste or drag those to the Keys folder, and now you need to make sure the file names match the originals. Again, the timecode will help with this. The keyframe with the 050 timecode is Man on Beach 050, for example. Next, open ebSynth and press the Video Select button to select the first frame in the Sequence folder. Then press the Keyframe Select button and select the first image in the Keys folder. Now set the deflicker and synthesis detail, and I like to use 1.5 and high, and then run all. When that's done, export to After Effects with the correct frame rate, in this case 25. Now you'll have the sequence ready in After Effects. You'll notice issues with the hair, which happens with any kind of movement and isn't really fixable. In this example, it's causing particular issues. You can mask around it to show the original underneath and adjust color correction, brightness, etc. and feathering so they blend, but results will vary depending on how well the original video hair section goes with the new version. One solution could be to wear a wig while filming yourself, or choosing a video where the man has long hair, which could produce better results. In this case, I've just masked around the face area and I'm adjusting position as it zooms in with keyframes. If you find any keyframes have issues like this, you can fix them in Photoshop before running ebSynth. Another issue you'll almost certainly come across if the person is talking or smiling is teeth artifacts. This is fairly easy to fix if you have the new video on top of the original in Premiere Pro and just mask around the mouth area to reveal the original underneath. And using position keyframes if need be also. And that's it for this tutorial. In the next video, I'll be showing how to use the same techniques to completely change your appearance. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.